Hey, it's Clay with Vase and BikeBandit.com, and today we're talking safety. This is the Can-Am 4-point harness. It works for the Maverick X3 and the X3 Max. It has got adjustable straps top and on the sides. It's a 4-point harness, as you can see. It's got an easy release buckle here, just like a normal seat belt. Makes it easy to do, especially with gloves on and in the dark. So there you have it. Super easy. Oh, guess what? It works with the Stock Ecu. That's right. Any third-party stuff you purchase for the Max may not work with it, but the Can-Am 4-point harness here plugs right in. It's comfortable, it's safe, and we've got it at Vase Power Sports in San Diego or from the comfort of your home, BikeBandit.com. Did you like our video? Well, if so, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more exclusive reviews, project builds, and special content. And while you're at it, like our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter by clicking the links in the description.